shocking news. SEC declared victory over XRP. XRP to $0.001. Progress was often met with resistance, even when it came to technology. The same can be said about blockchain and cryptography, and the SEC case against Ripple is a perfect illustration for some. The defendants in this lawsuit are among those who believe that the management of this asset class by the United States is pulling it back. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. Stuart Alderati, Ripple's general counsel, was the last to share his thoughts on this. In a recent article, he described how government-funded resistance could be harmful to the growth of cryptocurrencies in the US. Repeating the old argument that the SEC lawsuit is unfounded and wrong, Alderati said that the case is a haphazard attempt to regulate the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry in general. Quote, he kept adding, developing a regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies and digital assets will not be easy. But threatening innovators with lawsuits at every turn will have tragic consequences for the benefits and economic growth that digital assets and blockchains can open up. Quote, according to the General Counsel, Congress and regulators should work together to ensure clarity of regulation of the crypto industry. He also believes that in 2023, for the first time, the digital asset revolution will be led not by the United States, but by another country. Will the US be left behind? Many, including Alderati, have spoken in the affirmative, and some have suggested that China may soon assume this mantle. These concerns have intensified recently after the relocation of some American crypto companies to other places. Interestingly, Ripple also considered leaving the US, including London and Singapore. As a proud American company, it discourages me that talents in businesses and tax revenues are leaving the US because of this uncertain and unfavorable environment. Major industry players such as FTX and Crypto.com have headquarters outside the United States, which causes significant damage to the leadership and innovation potential of the United States, causing a leak of crypto brains. Quote, however, it is worth noting that despite the lawsuit, Ripple has performed well in 2021 due to its on-demand liquidity. According to Ashish Birla, CEO of RippleNet, RippleNet ended the year with a $10 billion run in terms of volume flowing through it. As of the end of 2021, ODL was available in 22 destination markets. Therefore, it is safe to say that RIPPLENET will grow, with OR without support from the United States. Birla, speaking about ODL and Liquidity Hub, also shared that there are many requests for ODL to be available in more directions. However, right now Ripple having achieved global ODL coverage is a long-term goal. Hence the question, can the US afford not to be part of this revolution? Over the past couple of months, the fintech company from San Francisco has made significant progress. On March 12, Annalisa Torres rejected a motion by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to prohibit Ripple from using fair notice protection. The Securities and Exchange Commission said that the payment company illegally sold XRP as an unregistered security. The regulator retains its position to this day. Now Brad Garlinghouse celebrated this victory, speaking in an interview with Bloomberg. The recent court decision not to strike a blow to the protection of Ripple's fair notification was a victory for the entire crypto industry. Garlinghouse claimed, I think this is a victory not only for Ripple, but also for the entire crypto industry. The SEC, I think, has consistently tried to really expand its influence and its control over the crypto industry. We have seen this not only with Ripple, but also in other cases. Quote, nevertheless, he called for an urgent need to clarify regulation in the United States. If we want the U.S. to become a leader in this new, growing, important innovation industry like the Internet 20 years ago, we need this regulatory clarity, he added. What the plaintiff could not do. The Securities and Exchange Commission really just comes out and says, we're going to file lawsuits, enforcement. They are not going to set clear rules so that people know how to act, as other countries have done. Quote, it is impossible to provide, which can become difficult for regulators. Former SEC Commissioner Joseph Grundfest reiterated his concerns about this. He stated, "If you make an XRP transaction on a foreign exchange that is not located in the United States, the SEC will not be able to get to it." This corresponded to the opinion of the U.S. Supreme Court. According to the CEO, the SEC has damaged the competitiveness of the cryptocurrency industry in the world's largest economy. "I think there is no doubt that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has reduced the competitiveness of this critical industry in the United States. I think they were out of step not only with other parts of the U.S. government, but also with other major economies around the world." Quote, "The only country in the world that believed that XRP, the digital asset that Ripple uses, could be a security, was the United States." David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, applauded XRP critics in the Bitcoin camp as well as at the SEC. Schwartz sarcastically noted that the supporters of XRP are completely satisfied with the one-sidedness of industry regulators. His tweet was a response to statements by Tony Edward, a Bitcoin devotee and crypto podcaster. Edward said that the maximalists of XRP will try to greatly downplay the importance of the turn in the EU decision. XRP maximalists are notoriously cold-blooded when regulators pick winners and losers in the crypto space. The host of Thinking Crypto also accused Bitcoin critics, especially XRP supporters, of wanting the EU proposal to ban cryptocurrencies with proof of work and, accordingly, Bitcoin, to be supported. However, he noted that a brutal ban on Bitcoin would lead to the disappearance of the entire crypto market. "It's not surprising that many Bitcoin haters insisted on it, but Bitcoin is here to stay, whether people like it or not. There would be no crypto market without BTC," Edward said. It is not uncommon for quarrels to occur in crypto Twitter, as different interests are opposed to each other. Another example is the recent events when Do Kwon, CEO of Terra Labs, made a bet that the cost of Luna will exceed $88 in a year. This was done in order to refute the claims that Terra's Anchor protocol was a Ponzi scheme. Nevertheless, several key market players have called for closer cooperation in the community to achieve the common goal of clearer regulation. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and others even noted that the Ripple case was crucial for the entire crypto industry. Although the SEC trial has lasted more than 14 months, it may not be long before a decision is made on the case. Several forecasts, including from Jeremy Hogan, suggest that the case will be completed in the third quarter of this year. Judging by the latest decisions, the case is also increasingly leaning in favor of Ripple. Last week, presiding judge Annalisa Torres ruled to reject a motion by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to revoke Ripple's fair notice protection. The ruling opens up the possibility for Ripple to argue that the SEC did not warn the firm of wrongdoing before it filed a lawsuit. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.